Rachel Wilson, the principal of Beaconsfield High School. We can't wait to greet you on August 31st, and we're so happy that you're joining us. Go Bisons!
Hi grade 7s, nice to see you. My name is Mr. Ali. I'm one of the senior phys ed teachers here at Beaconsfield High School. Cool thing with high school is that you get to see several phys ed teachers, so there's more than just one of us. We're really looking forward to seeing you next year. Our program is a unique, vibrant program where we look at you not just in grade 7, we look at what you're going to cover with us for the 5 years here at Beaconsfield High School. And what we try to do is every single year introduce you to a new activity. So we're not doing the same thing over and over again. Have a great summer, or hope you had a good summer, and we'll see you soon.
Good morning everybody, and good morning future BHS students. My name is Miss Lepage.
Hi, and I'm Mr. Legault. We're the two music teachers at Beaconsfield High School.
And we wanted to welcome you into BHS and
Super excited. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I can't wait.
I'm gonna get a lot of sleep this summer because I can't wait to meet you all next year, and we're gonna have a blast playing instruments and having great concerts.
Looking forward to meeting you. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, welcome to BHS Virtual Open House. I'm Miss Keflash and I'm the head of Visual Arts Department. I hope you all enjoy the summer and I'm looking forward to see you all in